So that is our new addition to our garden. It is called comfrey, and this is lot lot 14, I think it's called. Comfrey is an excellent what they call bioaccumulator.
Bio what?
Accumulator.
Bioaccumulator?
So what it does is it taps really deep into the soil and pulls out a lot of minerals and nutrients. And in Europe, what it's used for is a green fertilizer. So it'll start taking off in a couple months, so probably about 3 or 4 months, or maybe even shorter. We'll be able to. Usually, you cut it down before it flowers, and then you just put it down all around the plants. It especially grows well with fruit trees. So if you have fruit trees and they're having problems, it's a very good plant to have, and you usually grow it right under the fruit tree, and then you also use that to fertilize your fruit tree also. It's a very common permaculture herb that's used in like food forest and stuff.
Is that the reason why you put it next to the Thai lime tree?
Yeah, I put it right next to the lime trees because it's a fruit tree, and also I wanted to put it next to our berry tree,
which has some blackberries.
Yum,
yum, yum, I'm gonna have one. Yum, yum. But you haven't noticed that the lime tree is actually having some fruit.
Yes, this is our comfrey lime, our kaffir lime.
So you really don't need the lime itself like you would normally do, because
usually we don't. We'll use the rind, but you don't need the lime itself.
And we have the leaves.
The leaves are really what's used more often in Thai cooking. We have huge leaves, so this tree has done very well. It looks like it's actually flowering again, which usually means that the other lime will start flowering.
That's good.
So right there is a flower coming up. So it seems pretty happy. It's grown a lot better than the other lime, and it's producing fruit. It's produced fruit so far every year. The other lime has not, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So hopefully that will change with the introduction of
comfrey. Because you put it in the other lime too, right?
Yes.
So both the lime trees, the Mexican lime and the Thai lime, which is growing new shoots, have comfrey root in the bottom.
And basically what I fertilize these with is I give them fish emulsion every 2 weeks. When it's flowering, I give them a little bit more. So pretty much they get fish emulsion and worm castings, and they seem to be doing a lot better with that, rather than getting frequent feedings, rather than using the other fertilizers we were using. We were using another organic fertilizer, but they seem to do better with the fish fertilizer.
Is that it?
That's it.
Thank you for watching.